Hi everyone, welcome to Flamingo. Today, we are doing a listening practice and the topic is summer. I'll read the paragraph followed by listening comprehension questions. Let's begin. 對好多人嚟講，夏天係一年之中最令人期待嘅季節。學生放暑假，好多家庭會趁機一家人去旅行。無論係去主題樂園或者外國度假，夏天都係旅遊嘅旺季。就算唔去旅行，大家都會趁天氣好去參加戶外活動，享受陽光同大自然。我問我嘅朋友點解最鍾意夏天，佢話夏天唔單止係一個季節，更加係一種感覺。佢代表自由、冒險同回憶。有時候一首歌、一陣海風，甚至某種食物嘅味道，都會令佢諗起以前嘅暑假時光。例如去海灘游水、食雪糕、燒烤或者朋友聚會。佢最鍾意嘅夏天活動係睇日落。當太陽慢慢落山，天空由藍色變成橙色，再慢慢變成粉紅色，成個世界都好似靜咗落嚟。不過我對夏天嘅感覺同佢相反，我唔鍾意夏天，原因好簡單，因為太熱啦。每次出門，我覺得自己好似喺焗爐入面。對我嚟講，夏天最大嘅樂趣係可以舒舒服服咁留喺屋企吹冷氣。Let's move on to the listening comprehension questions. Question number 1. Why is summer considered a popular season for travel? Question number 2. For people who do not travel during the summertime, how do they take advantage of the warm weather? Question number 3. According to my friend, what does summer represent? Question number 4. What kinds of things can remind my friend of the past summer memories? Question number 5. What are some examples my friend gave for summer activities? Question number 6. What is my friend's favorite summer activity? Question number 7. How does the sky change during sunset according to the passage? Question number 8. How does my friend feel while watching the sunset? Question number 9. How do I describe the feeling of going outside in the summer? Question number 10. What is my greatest enjoyment during the summer? If you'd like to review the full paragraph and check the answers for the listening questions, you can download the notes. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.